Hello and welcome to Trinity Primary School's simple guide to how jottings and written methods support calculation in PSRM. During these 4 short presentations, we will explore how simple notes and jottings and formal written methods, as you may be more familiar with, help children calculate when doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We're going to start with addition. In the foundation stage, children will have plenty of experience of practically combining 2 groups or 2 sets. For example, 3 pairs of socks and 2 pairs of shoes. Children will physically put the groups together and learn that when we are adding, our answer will always be bigger. Children also experience and have fun jumping along number tracks and finding out how many more they can jump on. As children move on further towards the end of reception and into year 1, they use number lines. Number lines become our default strategy for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the early years and in lower key stage 1. In this example here, we can see 5 add 4 equals. Children would be encouraged to count along the number line and find 5 and jump on 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 makes 9. As children become more confident in year 1, they will deal with larger numbers. And as their knowledge of partitioning develops in key stage 1, they will work with 2-digit numbers. In this example, we can see 27 add 22. Children would know that 22 can be broken into 2 10s and 2 1s. And instead of having a number line starting at 0, they would begin to draw their own number lines and start from the starting number. They would draw their number line and write 27. They would partition the 22 into adding 10, which would make 37, adding on another jump of 10, which would make 47, and then they jump on the 2 more. They may choose to jump in 1s or jump in 2s. Add 1 makes 49.
As children move on into Key Stage 2, they use their knowledge of place value and counting on in 10s and 1s to help them add bigger numbers. Here we have the calculation 86 add 57. Children will also be encouraged to approximate the answer first. So knowing that 86 is close to 90 and 57 is close to 60, and knowing that if we counted on in 10s from 90 and counted on 6 10s, then that would take us to 150. So they would know before they started that the answer was going to be close to 150. So with the calculation, they would partition 86 into 80 and 6. They would partition 57 into 50 and 7. They would then use their knowledge of adding on into adding 10s, add 80, add 50 to make 130. They would then add 6, add 7 to make 13. The final stage is adding 130 and the 13. 13 again is made up of 10 and 3. So we would have 130, add this 10, 140, add 3, together giving you 143. So the answer to 86 add 57 would be 143, which is fairly close to our estimate of 150. This then moves on to an expanded vertical written method. So here we would add 6, add 7 to give us 13, and we would add the 80 and the 50 to give us 130. We then recombine these two numbers. 130, add the 10, 140, add the 3, 143. This then leads nicely to the compact method, which we all know. 6 add 7 would give us 13. We place the 3 in the 1s column, and then we carry the 10. Now we have 80, add 50, which is 130, add the 10, 143.